They say some doors are never meant to be opened, but in the heart of Pennsylvania, one house dares you to knock. Welcome to the Baler house, built in 1891, its walls soaked with more than just history, with whispers that never stop. Legend says the original owner, Nathaniel Baler, vanished after his wife was found drowned in the clawfoot tub, the water black as ink. Locals swear that after sunset, candlelight flickers inside, though the place has been boarded up for decades. Paranormal teams have entered, and some never speak of what they saw. Shadow figures that mimic footsteps, but never faces. EVP recordings captured a woman humming "Rockabye Baby" before screaming, "Get out," in a voice layered with echoes.